Hi guys! It's been a while, but I am back with a new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to do a party makeup for when you want to go out dancing with your friends and you want all eyes to focus on you. First, I apply foundation on the upper third of the face, nice and smooth. Then I add a bit of creamy highlighter on the brow bone to make the eyes a bit lifted. And I also apply the same highlighter between the brows and make a triangular shape a bit higher on the forehead. I cover everything with a translucent powder to keep everything in place and to make it easier to apply eyeshadow. For the eyes, I first pick light shimmery burgundy color and I apply it all over eyelids from lashes all the way to the crease. On the outer corners, I pull it out just a little bit to get that cat eye look. I take a lighter pink eyeshadow and apply it in the inner corners of the eyes and then blend it towards the middle of the lids. Next, I take an even lighter eyeshadow and apply it from the crease all the way to the brows. To top it off, I darken outer corners with some dark burgundy color just to show the cat eye shape a bit more. I use a black pencil and draw a line on the lash line. I normally use a brush to apply it, so I get a softer effect. This gives a bit more three-dimensional look to the makeup, as it will seem more like a shadow after I apply a liquid eyeliner over it. As I said, I use the liquid eyeliner and draw a line a bit thinner than the one I made with the pencil. Since this is a makeup for nighttime, I will apply false lashes. Before I continue with foundation, I define the eyebrows and fill in some gaps to make them look more even. Now follows the foundation on the rest of the face. With the foundation in place, it is time to shade the face. I apply creamy shade in the cheek canal, on the jawline, and a bit on the top part of the forehead. Since the foundation covers a lot of natural shadows of the face, this is how we put them back and make the face look more natural again. After shading follows creamy highlighter. I apply it on the cheekbones to make them pop out. Blending everything is still very important. I mix a small amount of corrector into the foundation and apply it under the eyes to make them look more fresh and rested. The same as we did on the upper third of the face, we seal everything with translucent powder to keep it all in place and to prevent the greasy shine on our skin. I go back to the eyes and add a bit of orange eyeshadow to the lower lids to add some contrast. I apply it just below the lash line and connect on the outer corners with previously applied burgundy color. Now follows enhancing of the cheeks. I apply blush between shading and the highlighter, starting at the hairline and ending somewhere in the middle of the apples of the cheeks. Don't go too far or too far down, because that will make the face look older. Moving on to the mascara. As I already mentioned in my previous video, make sure you cover the transition between natural and false lashes well. To finish the look, I apply a bit of shiny lipstick on the lips and you're ready to go dancing. My name is Barbara Fartek, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next time on AdviseMyStyle.com.